Knowledge is power because it is most powerful thing. A man can possess, nobody can steal, just like a wheel. It moves and goes forward. Even not gold, but man can make a nation great and strong. Now, I would like to invite Hina Akbar on stage for English speaking. Its topic is the revival of Pakistani youth. Please welcome Hina Akbar. इतनी सड़ी हुई क्लैपिंग करेंगे तो वो कहाँ से आएगी? घर से आना, माँ के खुद से थोड़ी आना है.
In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful, the Honorable Principal, respectable teachers, and my fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. Before I begin my speech, I would like to respect, thank, and acknowledge the teachers for granting me the opportunity to speak before this distinguished audience and for managing such a great occasion. The topic is revival of Pakistani youth. In this speech, I would like to talk to you about the necessity and importance of doing something for this nation, how it will embark our nation and lighten its pride. Firstly, I will explain generation as the arrow of this country, just loitering, doing nothing for this country. Third, I will describe what Pakistan is the group. I now come to the first part of my speech. In this part, I will explain that doing something is important. Doing something, act or do transformation is not easy, but we can do it. Everyone in this country knows exactly the confusion in our country, what happened in this country, unfair law, corruption, poverty, and lowness of education. But what we do? Mocking on Twitter, mocking nothing. I will not change anything. What happens into our nation is our responsibility. You and I must do something. If we want a better Pakistan in our future, we have to aware of what our country needs from now on. The change will never be instant. The easiest thing students like us can do is studying seriously and honestly for Pakistan. Smart is not enough. Pakistan needs educated people, educated leaders who want to fight for justice, for our future, for making a difference in society and speak up about our issues and concerns. It will be possible for us, for our future leader, for this country, right? Push yourself and do something. I have and enlighten you on the importance of doing something. Now I would like to describe what Pakistan will be like. If we, as the arrow of this country, just loitering, doing nothing for this country. If we still doing nothing for this country, Pakistan will always be the same. Corruption, law manipulation will always occur in our governmental department. Other people, our people, even us, will be more underestimated and be hopeless for our country because of its poverty and unprosperity. If we stand doing nothing for our generation, we have any hope. We will always be in terror with our translation. Each of us would see what will happen if we do nothing for our beloved country. Later, I will draw what Pakistan will be like. If each of us as young generation doing something, doing transformation from this country. Now imagine what Pakistan will be like if we unite stand up for our country and do something, do transformation. If we do something for our country will be well recognized. If we do something for our country will be respected and acknowledged. If we do something for our country, we will truly experience our country, Pakistan, as our home, sweet home. Beautiful country is not it. Every little thing we can do for this nation, and draw this nation is upon us. We still have a hope. Pakistan indeed has a hope. The best is yet to come to Pakistan. Something and make it happen. Allah bless Pakistan.
मोबाइल नहीं है क्या? मोबाइल नहीं है क्या?